Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display widget, element, container or column for specific country or countries in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. So this is our content. So we are going to display for specific country or countries, multiple countries. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see edit container. So click on it. You see visibility new option. Now click on text. Again you see visibility. Now click on adding widget. Again you see visibility. So click on edit container again. So click on visibility. Now you see dynamic visibility. Enable this option. Yes. Now you see display mode. So we are going to display or show content for multiple countries or specific country. So enable show. So we selected show. And then you see trigger. So we select geotargeting. Now click on it. You see multiple options. So we select geotargeting. And then you see geotargeting. Expand it. Now you see you need the free plugin geolocation IP detection to use this trigger. So we are going to install this plugin. Now go to add plugin again. In search plugin write geolocation IP detection. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So click on activate. Now plugin is activated. Go to Elementor page. So click on update first. After that refresh the page. Now click on refresh. So we are in Elementor page and then scroll down you see container, edit container. So click on it and then you see visibility. So again click on it. So we enable visibility option, display mode, show. We select trigger geotargeting. Now expand it and then you see country. Now click on it and you see multiple countries. So you can select country according to requirement. Now you see United Kingdom, states. Now select. So this content display on geolocation United States. Now select another country United Kingdom. So you can select one or multiple countries according to requirement and then click on update. Now update done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So we don't select our country Pakistan and then scroll down. You don't see that container or widget. Now back to Elementor page. Now select Pakistan. Now select and then click on update again. Now update done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Again you see content visible on Pakistan location. So you can select one or more countries according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.